Hello, dear students. Myself, Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar College, Bokardhan. Today we will see Modern and Nuclear Physics, course code number 202, paper number 8, semester 3rd. Now, today's topic are nuclear models, the shell model or independent particle model, justification of magic numbers, prediction of angular momenta, prediction of quadruple moment Q, and nuclear isomerism. Now, nuclear model. To explain the various nuclear phenomena such as stability, spin, magnetic momenta, etc., various nuclear models have been proposed. Now, nuclear shell model was independently developed by Mary Goeppert Mayer and Hans Jensen in 1940, and they were awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1963 for the development of nuclear shell model. The basic assumption of the liquid drop model is that each nucleon in a nucleus interacts only with its nearest neighbors, like molecules in a liquid. In shell model, each nucleon interacts chiefly with a general force field produced by all the other nucleons. The shell model is also called the independent particle model. In this model, each nucleon is assumed to exist in a shell similar to atomic shells for electrons. The nucleons exist in quantized energy state. There are few collisions between nucleons. Each state can contain only 2 protons or 2 neutrons. They must have opposite spin. They have spins of half, so the exclusion principle applies. The set of allowed state for the protons differs from the set of allowed state for the. When binding energy are very closely, it is found that most stable nuclei have an even value of neutrons. Only 8 stable nuclei have odd values for both neutrons and protons. Now, the shell model assumes that each nucleon moves in its orbit within the nucleus independently of all other nucleons. The orbit is determined by the potential energy function Vr, which represents the average effect of all interaction with other nucleons and is the same for each nucleon. Each nucleon is regarded as an independent particle, and the interaction between nucleons is considered to be a small perturbation on the interaction between a nucleons and potential field. Thus, theoretical treatment parallel to that of an atom is developed, and quantum numbers L, N, S, J are assigned to each nucleon. The nucleus will obey the Pauli principle, according to which number of no 2 nucleons with same quantum numbers will be in the same quantum state. The quantum numbers define the shells and subshells in the nucleus, and Pauli principle decides the distribution of nucleons among the shell. The spectroscopic symbols S, P, D, F represent the state corresponding to L equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. Each shell level consists of 2L plus 1 subsets and contains 2 into 2L plus 1 nucleons. Thus, shell model has an analogy with atomic model. However, nuclear potential is quite different. Nuclear potential has a form between square wave potential and harmonic oscillator potential as against Coulomb potential in an atom. The different nature of potential for nucleus gives different positing of quantum states on energy scale as compared to that to an atom. Naturally, the closed shell structure of nucleus will be different from that of an atom. We know that there are two types of atoms. Chemically active atoms are those atoms which have number of electrons either one more or one less, and another that is chemically inactive atoms having atomic number 2, 8, 18 and so on. Most stable, that is inert gases. 2, 8, 18 and so on forms closed shells. In case of nucleus, some properties: the nuclei which have number of protons that is equal to Z, or number of neutrons N equal to A minus Z. Now, number of neutrons that is equal to A minus Z equals to 2, 8, 20, 28, 18, 82 and or 126 are found to be relatively more stable. These number of are known as magic number. The numbers that is 2, 8, 20, 28, 18, 82 or 126 are found to be relatively more stable, and these numbers are called the magic numbers. For example, in case of helium 2He4, 24He, that is here helium having Z equal to 2 and N equal to 2, that is number of protons equal to 2 in case of helium and number of neutrons equal to 2, that is N equal to A minus Z, so N equal to 2. And in case of oxygen, there is also number of protons are 8 and number of neutrons are 8. In case of Pb, number of protons are 82 and number of neutrons are 126. Now, stable isotones and isotopes of number of protons Z or number of neutrons are equal to magic numbers are found to be abundance. For example, in case of tin, Z equal to 15, found 10 stable isotopes. Now, nuclei which have number of neutrons N equal to magic number having low neutron absorption cross section, and in case of nuclei number of neutrons are greater than or less than having magic number are radially absorbed neutrons. According to shell model, each nucleon moves independently in the average force field due to all other nucleons. So we call independent particle model. Potential energy of nucleons is constant. Each nucleon is assigned for definite allowed energy levels and principal quantum number, that is n equal to 1, 2, 3, and definite orbital angular momentum L into h upon 2 pi, or spin angular momentum, that is h upon 2 pi, where L is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on, and h equal to half. Now of an atom is developed and quantum number n, l, s, j are assigned to each nucleon. Now the nucleon will obey the Pauli principle, according to which no two nucleons. The different nature of potential for nucleus gives different position of quantum states on energy scale as compared to that to an atom. Naturally, the closed shell structure of nucleus will be different from that of an atom. Now, justification of magic numbers. Just as closed outer shell of an atom gives stability to the atoms and make them chemically inactive, the closed outer shell of nucleus gives it stability. The number of nucleons in such a case is a magic number with harmonic oscillator potential. The levels appear in the group 1s, 1p, 1d, 2s, 1f, 2p, etc. These group levels are degenerate and occupy the same energy level. The first group contains 2 nucleons, second contains 6 nucleons, and third contains 10 plus 2, that is equal to 12 nucleons. Fourth group contains 14 plus 6 equal to 20 nucleons, and so on. The closure of the level occur corresponding to the nucleon number 2, 8, 20, 40, 70, 112 and 168. The harmonic oscillator potential suggests these numbers are magic numbers. With infinite square well potential, the degeneracy is split. The first group contains 2 nucleons, second contains 6 nucleons, third contains 10 nucleons, fourth group contains 2 nucleons, fifth contains 40 nucleons, while sixth group contains 20 nucleons, and so on. The magic number for the infinite square well potential are 2, 8, 18, 20, 34, 40, 58, 68, 70, 92, 106, 112, 136 and 168. Here some numbers which are no way connected with magic numbers are also predicted as magic number. The prediction of magic numbers 50, 82 and 126 is missing from both potentials. To allow for these numbers as magic numbers, a concept of spin-orbit interaction is introduced. The spin-orbit interaction split each of the higher single particle levels. The term with j equal to L plus 1 by 2 has lower energy and is more tightly bound than the term with J equal to L minus 1 by 2. The splitting increases with L values and becomes too large that energy for a given term with largest L value and J equal to L plus half can be as low as that of multiple with quantum number n minus L. Resplitting splitting permits the missing magic numbers. Now prediction of angular momentum. With the help of shell model, it is possible to assign values of total angular momentum to nuclei for which the value is not measured experimentally. These assigned values help in predicting allowed for forbidden nature of many beta decay process, as the probability of beta decay depends upon the difference between the total angular momenta of the initial and product nuclei. The prediction when compared with experimental result of beta decay process show responsibly good agreement. Prediction of quadrupole moment Q. The shell model helps in predicting electric quadrupole moment of odd A or Z nuclides on the assumptions that this is due to the unpaired proton. The Q for nuclei with magic number of protons is 0 or small due to absence of unpaired proton. As the number of proton increases, Q increases till the shell is nearly 2 by 3 is filled and then decrease to 0 at the magic number of protons. In some cases, the observed values are much larger than predicted by the model. By considering spheroidal core instead of spherical one, the discrepancy can be removed. Thank you.